mynews.studio.
Imagine getting a shot that actually trains your own immune system to hunt down cancer cells. If that's possible, it could really reshape our entire approach to cancer.
That's quite a picture. Just to set the scene, today's date is 2025-10-15. The world's first personalized mRNA cancer vaccine has just entered human trials. This isn't just another medication. It's a different way of approaching cancer treatment. Why is this moment getting so much attention?
It really comes down to that word, personalized. Scientists are now using mRNA technology, the same platform used for the COVID-19 vaccines, to create cancer vaccines tailored for each patient. Here's how it works. They sequence your tumor, pinpoint its specific mutations, and then design an mRNA vaccine that teaches your immune system to go after just those cancer cells.
Wait, so every patient gets their own unique vaccine? That sounds incredibly complicated. How do they actually choose which mutations to target?
Yeah, it's a good point. What they do is look for neoantigens. Those are proteins that only show up on cancer cells, not on healthy cells. Through sequencing, they find these neoantigens and then encode them into the mRNA vaccine. This way, the immune system learns to recognize and destroy any cell carrying those specific proteins.
Which cancers are they trying this on first? And is this still in the theoretical stage, or are there actual results coming in?
Initial trials have focused on melanoma, pancreatic cancer, and even glioblastoma. For example, take Moderna's mRNA 4157. When it's combined with pembrolizumab, studies showed it reduced the risk of melanoma coming back by 44%. In pancreatic cancer, patients have shown immune responses that are both stronger and last longer.
That's a significant reduction. But what are the stumbling blocks? Personalized medicine sounds expensive and maybe hard to scale.
You're right. Each vaccine can run over $100,000. Manufacturing isn't centralized, and the whole regulatory process is still catching up. Plus, making these vaccines accessible in lower-income countries is a real challenge. But there are efforts underway, using AI to help design vaccines faster and setting up decentralized manufacturing to drive down costs.
How exactly does artificial intelligence help? Is it mainly about speeding things up, or is there more to it?
It's not just about speed. AI can process huge amounts of genomic data to find the best neoantigens for each patient, making the vaccine design more accurate. This reduces a lot of the trial and error that would otherwise slow things down.
Do gene editing tools like CRISPR also fit into this picture, or are they working separately?
They definitely do. CRISPR can be used to enhance immune cell targeting, making these vaccines more precise. It could also help bring down production costs. So when you combine mRNA, AI, and gene editing, the progress really accelerates.
About the immune system, COVID-19 vaccines mostly activate B cells, but for cancer, it's T cells that matter, right? Can you break down why that's so key?
Exactly. T cells are the main players when it comes to killing cancer cells. The vaccine is designed to train them to recognize and attack cancer cells, and ideally to remember them if the cancer returns. That's the crucial difference, the potential for long-term protection.
Are regulators able to keep up with this pace? The developments seem to be coming quickly.
Agencies like the FDA are actually creating new approval pathways for these kinds of therapies. Right now, there are more than 60 candidates in clinical trials. Analysts are predicting we could see some commercial approvals by 2029.
So this isn't just about lab breakthroughs. This is real hope for a lot of patients. Are we looking at the beginning of a new chapter in cancer treatment?
It's possible. The science is solid, and the early results are encouraging. The timeline to mainstream use is probably shorter than most people expect. It feels like medicine is finally catching up to the possibilities.
Let's sum up. Personalized mRNA vaccines are teaching immune systems to target cancer with help from genomics, AI, and gene editing. Early results are promising, but we still need to address cost, regulation, and access.
The shift to personalized medicine isn't on the distant horizon, it's underway right now. If these trials keep succeeding, we could see cancer care change dramatically.
Are we seeing the start of a new era in cancer treatment? All signs point to us being closer than ever.
Thanks for joining us today as we explored the science and promise of personalized mRNA cancer vaccines.
We'll keep tracking new breakthroughs and obstacles as they come. Thanks for listening. This episode is brought to you by mynews.studio. Try it now for free.